Hello Divi fans, in this video I'm going to create a page similar to our home page using group presets. So I'm in the dashboard, I went to the pages menu, I'm going to click add new page. I'm going to call this page home page, save draft, and I'm going to go into the Divi builder, click this button here, click pre-made layout. I'm going to search for AI, pick AI software homepage, use this layout, change the text to something different, use Titanium Web. Then I'm going to make the text color green, text size, let's make it 18, let's increase the letter spacing, increase the line height. I'm going to copy the text here. I'm going to delete this module. And I'm going to add another text module. I'm going to go into design, text 3, and there. And then I'm going to change the text. Let's do the same thing here. Let's delete module, add a module, text, okay, let's go design, text 3, let's actually make this invisible. Set the visibility on all devices. Let's disable the visibility on all devices for that row. So I'm going to make the default custom footer not visible on all devices. We have a few videos, a few great videos on custom global footers. I recommend checking those out. The links for those videos will be in the description. I'm going to disable this section also. Save draft, future Divi, that doesn't change. I'm going to change this button's text to contact us. The link will be in a new tab, the target will be in a new tab, and the website will be our other website, which I recommend checking out, called websitepromoters.com. That is our main website. That website is featured on many of our videos, which I highly recommend checking out. Okay, let's save draft. If you have a lot of the same elements on a page, presets can speed up design. Web design, just copy and paste the text here. Maintenance, always have to maintain websites. For this button here, change each of this button here. Let's see. can't really change the default text. Button text. For the button, tap us. I'm going to actually go into here, click new preset. Let's delete this. Button. There we go. It doesn't change the text though. It's not case sensitive. Link in a new tab. Just one more. A new tab. Okay. One last thing I'm going to do. Actually, I think let's look at the website here. Learn more. I'm going to change the link here to website promoters in a new tab. Don't want people leaving the website, so it's better to open the link in a new tab. This is their contact us. Let's change the text to contact us. Link in a new tab. I want them leaving the website. Website promoters.com. Ready to use Divi 5, not Divi AI. Stop. Divi 5. This is text. It's different, so I'm going to copy and paste it. This text is different. Let's copy and paste it. Instead of let's change it from the default, let's say draft. Last thing I'm going to do is change the spacing here. So spacing set to 0. No, let's not do that. Let's keep it auto. Let's make the padding here 15 pixels. All around, top, bottom, left, and right. Let's new preset from current styles. And then let's add that spacing global option to these two also. Okay, just one last thing. If I change the spacing here, so instead of 15 all around, let's make it, let's go into the options here, the preset settings. Okay, so that concludes the video. I hope you found the video useful. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.